Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, the Honorable Speakers of the two Houses, Cabinet Secretaries present, and all stakeholders, good afternoon. Your Excellency, I didn't think I needed to say anything because you speak on our behalf, but let me take this opportunity because I'm here to salute the members of the National Assembly and the Senate for the expeditious manner in which they handled these bills that you have today assented into law. Your Excellency, we continue to applaud the two Houses of Parliament for the support they are giving to your administration's legislative agenda. Your Excellency, what now your assent means is that we who work under you have everything to do to implement these laws in turning around healthcare architecture for the benefit of the people of Kenya. But I would like also to take this opportunity to say, much as Parliament has worked very hard, the CS of Health and her team have worked very hard. Your Excellency, your personal leadership in this matter has been very momentous. For the last 1 year, you have chaired countless meetings that gave birth to these bills that you have today assented into law. You have been very keen and categorical that a healthy nation gives way to a prosperous nation. So the journey that we have started today with the assenting of the bills will turn around the healthcare architecture for the benefit of the people of Kenya. And Your Excellency, I want to confirm that I've been around the country, and since your launch of the community health promoters with 100,000 kits, the impact of that intervention, Your Excellency, is already being felt on the ground. And the focus on preventive medicine as opposed to curative medicine will ultimately save this country on the health bill. There is data and research has shown that the cost of curing a disease is 9 times the cost of preventing one. So therefore, Your Excellency, this intervention in another 4 or 5 years will also bring down the cost of the health bill. Let me also take this opportunity to thank the county governors and their county governments for the way they continue to work closely with the national government, health being a devolved function, and I have no doubt in my mind that this collaboration will continue so that these laws can have an impact for the people of Kenya. Finally, Your Excellency, let me also commend Susan Nakumisha, the CS Health, and our 2 PSCs for the leadership they have exhibited in the health space. Susan Nakumisha is committed, she is focused, she has passion and zeal. And I have no doubt in my mind that working with her team, the bills that you have assented today in law will be implemented, and the people of Kenya will get to feel the benefit in not very too far a distance from now. With those very many remarks, it's now my honor and privilege to invite the President of the Republic of Kenya to address the nation by making his remarks. Mr. President.
Thank you very much. Let's take seats. Asante sana. Mr. Deputy President, Speaker of the National Assembly, Speaker of Senate, Your Excellencies, Governors, Ministers present, Principal Secretaries, Development Partners, Community Health Promoters, doctors who are here,